Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
We just had a talk how to stay united, that's all.
So when you will claim to form government?
We haven't talked about claiming the government yet.
You're not able to go to claim government?
No. Otherwise we would have gone now itself, you would have seen. So since we are not going, we haven't claimed the government yet.
Name of the alliance is yet to be decided upon, but at least the resolve to come together has already been finalized. Whatever demand or whatever issues, whatever priorities, whatever concerns, whatever conditions, it's an internal exercise. There is no such saying that, okay, Khasi or Garo, Chief Minister can be from Khasi. What is the problem there? There's no problem. We have had Bibi Lingdo, let Bibi Lingdo, we have had let Ike Maolong, we had let Captain Sama. Everybody, the people of these 3 hills must come together. I disagree. I differ from that kind of brother. I shouldn't have commented on that because I do not want to engage in this kind of deliberations and discussion because our deliberation and discussion didn't revolve around that part of perspective. Therefore, this meeting discuss the need to come together. The need to come together and stand firm in our commitment to ensure that the state is not subjected again to that kind of misrule and unprecedented plundering that has inflicted irreversible damage to the state's fiscal health. Also, force the state to have an infamous tag of being named as the #1 corrupt state in the whole country. We want to ensure that this infamous tag of being the #1 corrupt state in the country does not become synonymous to our beautiful state. It is the responsibility, therefore, for each one of us to see that it doesn't happen. And that can happen when we stop the same people from forming the government. If you draw a conclusion from this mandate, that means this mandate is for a change. For a change. Now, why there is a question of asking about the kind of mandate that people have given this time is because, like never before, the state was confronted by unpleasant issues pertaining to the alleged irregularities and alleged corruptions. You heard all the political parties taking up this core issue of corruption and how to free the state from the similar kind of corruption. Do the people of the state want the state to be subjected to similar kind of plundering that the people of the state have witnessed in the preceding 5 years? No. This particular no is reflected by the mandate loud and clear. Therefore, the honors of responsibility of all the political parties, except the party who were leading the government and who were in the helm of affairs of governance and who were responsible to take cognizance of those alleged irregularities and alleged corruption and decided to be on denial mode all the time, facilitating, plundering of the state to such a scale. All the rest of the political parties must understand that along with this mandate comes there a responsibility, a huge responsibility which revolves around on a priority of protecting the interests of the state and coming together and working together for the larger good of the people. Now tell me one thing, then this very infamous take that Meghalaya is the #1 corrupt state in the country come up? Then it come up. Yeah. Are you happy with this tag?
What are the chances?
Are you happy with this tag? Are people of the state happy with this tag? No. Come on, yeah.
What are the chances of BJP joining this camp?
See, as of now, we are not talking to BJP, we are talking amongst ourselves. Okay, you have seen it, and then everything is in transparency. As of now, we are discussing because which is the largest party here?
UDP.
Yeah. So it's a simple, okay, not complicated, to draw an assumption and conclusion.
The outcome of the meeting is, we're still discussing. We need to come to a conclusion because this is the first meeting we've had.
It's sad that we need to have a law, an anti-defection law to prevent members from jumping ship from one ship to another ship. But still, the law fails, to be upholded. So what we feel is that we need to find a person, a candidate or a leader who is committed to cause, the ideology, the philosophy of the party. That's all it is. We are yet to confirm whether those HSPP MDs are really missing or not. So only time can tell.
So now,
First, there is some feeling that we would like to have a non-BJP and NPP government. But first and foremost is to see that NPP is not there in the government. We are exploring NPP so far. The message is sound and clear, but need to explore the possibility of
In fact, I was contacted by all the political parties from yesterday after the result that came out, and they feel that it will be wise that we meet together. So we met today, and the outcome of the meeting is basically that we decided on to identify a person from each political party to represent for the discussion and on this matter. No, we have not decided anything yet, but basically they want to come and sit together so that all the new elected members are present. We have not discussed about taking claim to form the government, but basically is we wanted to meet and see that all the, except one or two who could not be present here, and all the political parties who are here today have expressed to be together.
Do you have the numbers with you, sir?
Sorry?
Do you have the numbers with you?
As far as the numbers, the house now is 59, and as of this afternoon, as what we had seen, for those who have come and expressed are 31. No, it's not that we don't want or we won. It's a matter of that we all the other political parties wishes to sit together and see what is the next course of action.
but two MLAs of the HSPTP has gone missing from this meeting.
That is what I was told by the president from the HSPDP. So they have taken note of that, and they have informed us that we will come back immediately in this today by late evening. See, it's not that we decided to go or not to go. It's basically that all those who wishes to be together, they have expressed their opinions that we would like to be together. Just now I have said those who have expressed and who have come here this afternoon, the total number comes to 31.
Okay, who are these 31? Can you?
They're all from HSPDP, the PDF, the Congress Party, the BPP, and the Trinamool Congress. As I have said, one representative from each party will be there to discuss for further action.
When will be the next meeting, sir?
We will inform accordingly. No, that is their wish. I have nothing to say on that. That is the decision of each and every member. They can take any decision they want. No one can stop. Even I want to take any decision, nobody can stop that. But at the end of the day, those who have come and who were with us, that only I can say.